guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit on subscribe button, like and share. Our destination this time is to the Dusun.
Okay, I'll bring you to your house.
The instruction, all the cutlery, the stove, rice cooker, some plates, there, water, fridge, gas, pepper, salt, and everything else. They also have this sanitizer, program, cheese, and everything else. So let's see. Wow, this is nice. This is so fancy. Some fresh flowers. Oh wow, this is nice. Something customized from the Dusun. Dream tips and pleasant day. Let's see. Bugs. Ah, cool. Cleaning. Okay. Waste management. Great. Temperature. Pets. Good. Smokers. Mosquito coil. Okay, energy. Very nice tips. Oh. You can hang stuff over there. Look at the interior design here. Wow, and what? Perling air. So here's a map. Look at this flower. Guys, so we are gonna do Deer Park and Dusun Walk. Ah, this is a kaffir lime. Here. This is kaffir lime. Can you smell that?
Lime?
Lime, yeah. This is banana tree. Oh wow, no, it just reminds me of Norway. You know, we always have that. Oh, they have a banana over there. Dusun Walk. Wow. Baby, see, you know what's that? No, the one that hanging there. You know pisang?
Yeah.
That one we call jantung pisang. This is durian tree.
Ooh.
Look. This must be a good durian. Marshmallow. Barbecue. We have mushroom, chicken, kafta, and we have more. Marshmallow. Grilled marshmallow. This is just an American thing.